Overlanding tires may have started as a semi-popular hobby, but in just a few years, it's become one of the fastest growing areas of the travel market. More than 12 million Americans were expected to overland this year alone, and that growth is reshaping how some overlanding drivers think about their vehicles, specifically their tires. Let's break down what you should know about overlanding tires next. If traditional off-roading is about conquering obstacles, overlanding focuses on the journey itself. It involves long-distance travel that mixes highway miles with off-grid exploration. That dual purpose is changing how these drivers shop for tires. For shops like yours, that means helping customers find products that balance strength, comfort, and control. The vehicles themselves are changing too. Overlanding rigs today are heavier, built for towing, and packaged with gear. That extra weight means those customers need tires that can carry more load without giving up on ride comfort or stability. Even though there's no overlanding specific tire category, most enthusiasts may turn to all-terrain or rugged terrain options. The all-terrain segment continues to be the preference for overlanders because it strikes that middle ground between highway performance and off-roading capabilities. Modern all-terrain tread patterns use interlocking blocks and deep grooves to provide traction while keeping road noise down. Rubber compounds for these tires are designed to resist chipping and tearing on gravel roads while maintaining even wear and wet traction. That kind of engineering gives overlanders the best of both worlds: toughness off-road and performance on-road. When it comes to sizes you should carry, many popular overlanding setups run 33 to 35-inch tires, though some step up to 37s or even 40s. And because many newer trucks and SUVs come with larger brake systems, 18-inch wheels are quickly becoming the new normal. The overlanding trend isn't slowing down, and neither is the demand for the tires for it. That means you should be stocked up with plenty of rugged and all-terrain options to fit your overlanding customer needs. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.